Alright guys, so here is an overview of what you should expect inside online monthly income, the free expert training you're going to get. So once you log into your members area right here, so you can see I actually have many courses inside this platform. So you can head over to your own, this is where you should go to. Just go to online monthly income, click on access product. So once you click on access product, then you'll be directed to the members area. So let's just wait for that to load up. Let me see. Okay, so we are now inside. This is the members area for online monthly income. So this is where you're going to access every other thing you need to do inside online monthly income. So this is the welcome place. You can actually get in here from, you can go get into the members area from any of the modules section. So you can go from here or from the free training or whatever. So just let's go from the first one, which is our welcome module. So once you click on welcome module, so you can see, so you can always click on any of these ones. Just click on introduction, and then from introduction you can see, so you get the panel, the quick links to every, all the modules, all the sections inside online monthly income. So this is where we're going to start from. We're going to have to start from here. So you watch the, I believe you watched the welcome video, and here we are at the overview section. So here I'm going to just brief you briefly on what you should expect inside online monthly income. However, you already know that this platform is a platform where you get expert training on video series on how you can make money online, how you can start your own online business or whatever niche you are into. You're going to get expert training. Yes, you're going to get expert training from professionals, from experts in any niche, and we've done the research to find the best training, the expert training in any niche, so you can understand the best model, the best business you can go into, and then you can focus all your energy into that. So that's where you're going to get inside your overview, which you are on right now. So on the next video is just an important information that you must not miss out. You must actually act on that information inside that important links. Then, so inside the quick links, you're going to get quick links that you can get in touch with me, get in touch with our support for anything you need, or any way you might want to get help. So next, you get inside a free training module. So this is where you get access to I think about 20 something plus niche expert training in different niches. So the first, you're going to get access to expert training videos on how to start an online business. So if you've been struggling, you don't know what an online business is, this is the first time, or you have experience about doing online business, but you just keep moving from one niche to the other, you don't know which exact one you ought to focus on and key into. So you're going to get an overview of what an online business is, how to get started in an online business, and the best online business you can start in 2021. So you're going to get everything inside that lesson for starting and an online business. So the next one, you're going to get another series of training. You can see you're going to get how to start an online business, how the best online businesses to start in 2021. Okay, just two of them. So these two are very in-depth. You can watch the videos and then you understand what it takes to start an online business. Yes, and the best online businesses that you can start today. So I'm not going to go into everything one by one because of time. So I'm just going to just kind of run down through the the main points what you're going to get. So we have also the blogging niche. If you are interested in blogging, you're interested in website design and development, or you want to start email marketing, you want to start affiliate marketing, you want to start CPA, you want to go into crypto, you want to go into freelancing, e-com, Facebook advertising, PLR, private label rights, YouTube ads, starting your YouTube channel, or you want to go into public speaking, iTicket, sales system, or you want to start your own mobile app, being a copywriter, LinkedIn, how to use LinkedIn for massive profits, starting your own information business, product launching, and all the likes, and then your own coaching business, click banking, and then consulting, being a writer, earning as a writer, and then flipping domains, and then starting your own membership site. So it's a wide range of niches that you're going to get ideas on how to get started building an online business in any of these sections, in any of these niches. So they are very in-depth expert trainings that we took our time to check out for them and look for which will be beneficial to you and we get you results, and we guide you on the right step, on the right path to follow, so you can be rest assured that you are getting the right training that's not going to waste your time, and you're not spending anything, because we took our time to get these trainings right from YouTube, from experts, and then we actually reference them back. So there is each referencing. So if you want to know more, if you like maybe perhaps a tutor that tutors on any niche, and then you want to learn more, so you can actually follow that tutor. You can just click on the source, you get access to their YouTube channel, so you can subscribe to their channel and follow them on the core niche that you want to focus on. So that's just it. So I think that's all about that. So I'm going to see you in the next video where I walk you through on the important section, a very important thing inside online monthly income. So here's just an overview of what you get inside the expert training video series inside online monthly income. I do hope you're going to enjoy the training videos, and yes, there's also a link there. Once you are done, you're going to get to this place where it says your feedback. So it's very, very important. We want to have your feedback, and then so we can use it, to get more people in and make you profit on the next on the next phase of online monthly income. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Thank you, and bye bye.